had this dog bed sent to me to check out and give my opinion of, and this thing's amazing. I have a boxer. He's about 65 pounds, and this is the perfect size. This is the XL. It really hurts his legs whenever he's laying on hard concrete or this hardwood deck. So having this support here and this bed that's elevated and cushy is super nice. It's got the pillow all the way around. It was really easy, simple to put together. It just takes about 10 minutes. It does come with its own carry bag so that if you need to take it apart and store it maybe for the wintertime, that's easy to do as well. The tent like fly, it keeps the shade to a nice level. If there was any drizzle, he could be in here if we were down on the patio, but it's got some windows so he could still be nosy because that's the most important thing for him. He loves to be nosy. But just a great quality all the way around. The way that it went together, the poles and everything like that, super easy and simple, no tools required. And like I said, it just all stores in a bag. So if you're looking for a great dog bed for the outside, for your patio, for your deck, if you go camping, this one's wonderful. Check it out.